Hi, and welcome to Red Catfish. I'm Gregg Stone with 10 scary and bizarre sea creatures living in our oceans that make us scared to go in the water. The Great White Shark. Great whites are the largest predatory fish. Few creatures strike more fear in humans than the great white shark. In reality, great white shark attacks on humans are rare, and it's even rarer for one of these attacks to be fatal. White sharks are able to prey on large creatures because of their large upper teeth, which are triangular in shape and sharply serrated to cut large pieces of flesh from prey. The bottom teeth are more narrower and used to hold the prey. Most great white shark attacks are not fatal. The Colossal Squid. The colossal squid is believed to be the largest squid species. There isn't much at all known about this type of squid, therefore it's hard to guess what their actual behaviors are like. It's believed that they're loners and that they eat large volumes of food daily. The eyes of the colossal squid are larger than any other creature on Earth. Jellyfish. Jellyfish are probably some of the most unusual and mysterious creatures that you'll ever encounter. With their gelatinous bodies and dangling tentacles, they look more like something from a horror movie than a real animal. But if you can get past the weirdness and the fact that getting too close to one results in a nasty sting, you'll discover that jellyfish are pretty fascinating. Jellyfish have tiny stinging cells in their tentacles to stun or paralyze their prey before they eat them. Inside their bell-shaped body is their mouth. They eat and discard waste from this opening. Jellyfish don't purposely attack humans. Most stings occur when people accidentally touch a jellyfish. But if the sting is from a dangerous species, it can be deadly. Goliath Tigerfish. When your name is Goliath, you better be one humongous, ferocious creature. And the Goliath Tigerfish definitely lives up to its moniker. The Goliath Tigerfish may be the most fearsome fish you'll ever see, and you'd better hope it doesn't see you first. It's the much bigger and deadlier version of the piranha. Black Dragonfish. The deep-sea dragonfish, sometimes known as the scaleless dragonfish, is a ferocious predator that inhabits the deep oceans of the world. Black dragonfish grow on an average to be up to 1.5 feet long. As with some other deep-sea fish, the females are notably bigger than the males. Females grow to 40 centimeters in length, but males reach a maximum length of only 5 centimeters. With its wide opening jaw, the black dragonfish is able to swallow prey up to half its size with ease. This fish also has a lure outside of its mouth to attract prey. In the open ocean, since blue is the only bioluminescence, other fish can't really see it. The white sturgeon. The white sturgeon is like no other fish. Instead of scales, 5 rows of bony plates, scutes, reach from its gills to its tail, covering its sandpaper-like skin. Due to its archaic roots, sturgeons are known to leap out of the water, which still puzzles many scientists. So while the sturgeon is completely harmless, they can do some serious damage to you if they leap out of the water. Leeches. All leeches can crawl, and some are good swimmers. They search for prey by following the scent or touch of the animals they want to eat. When they first detect food, they extend their bodies and hold very still, probably to carefully sense their prey. Most leeches are sanguivorous. They feed on blood. If the preferred food is not available, most leeches will feed on other classes of hosts. Some feed on the blood of humans and other mammals, while others feed on fish, frogs, turtles, or birds. Many blood-feeding leeches attack only fish. Only a few attack vertebrate, including people. The Goblin Shark. The Goblin Shark is a rare species of deep-sea shark. This dreadful shark is called the alien of the deep because it hunts for prey on the ocean floor. They don't like to be exposed to sunlight, so they're sometimes called the vampire shark. When the Goblin Shark wishes to attack something, its jaws protrude out of their snout and are able to independently move in order to bite down on their prey. The Stonefish. In the underwater world, you don't have to be the largest creature to be the biggest threat. Stonefish is the most venomous fish in the world. The motionless stonefish, when contacted, causes severe to life-threatening neurotoxin poisoning and is likened to cobra venom in toxicity. The sting causes excruciating pain, and a great deal of swelling rapidly develops, causing death to tissues. The severity of the symptoms depends on the depth of penetration and the number of spines penetrated. The symptoms of the venom are muscle weakness, temporary paralysis, and shock, which may result in death if not treated. The Saltwater Crocodile. This species is the largest of all living reptiles, as well as the largest terrestrial and riparian predator in the world. Classic opportunistic predators, they lurk patiently beneath the surface near the water's edge, waiting for potential prey to stop for a sip of water. This is a large-headed species with a heavy set of jaws, and these jaws can exert pressure up to several tons. They'll feed on anything they can get their jaws on, including water buffalo, monkeys, wild boar, and even sharks. Thanks for viewing. Tell somebody about red catfish and visit our YouTube channel again.